Have you ever spent 3 hours staring at a textbook, reading the same paragraph over and over again, and still understood absolutely nothing? You think you're lazy, you think you're not smart enough, or maybe you think you just need one more coffee. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're just studying in the wrong time zone. Most of us are living in a permanent state of biological jet lag. We force our brains to run a marathon when they're trying to sleep, and then waste our peak energy scrolling on TikTok. So what if your problem isn't motivation at all, but a timing mistake? Today, we're not going to fix your study habits by working more hours, but by finding the right hours.
I used to be obsessed with 5 a.m. routine videos. I thought if I didn't wake up before sunrise, I was a failure. I forced myself. I sat at my desk. And you know what happened? Nothing. My brain was foggy until noon, and by 2 p.m., I was falling asleep. I wasn't becoming more disciplined. I was becoming miserable. I was fighting my biology. And biology always wins. Here's the science. We all have a chronotype. It's written into your DNA. Some people are literally built to hunt at night, while others are designed to rise with the sun. And if you ignore this, you're basically playing life on hard mode. So let's switch you to easy mode.
Step 1, the energy audit. So how do you find your prime time? You don't need a lab or a blood test. You just need 3 days and a notebook. For the next 3 days, check in with yourself every 2 hours and rate your energy from 1 to 10. Don't judge it, just observe. Trust me, you'll see a pattern. Are you a lion? You peak in the morning and crash early? A wolf? You struggle to wake up but suddenly come alive at 10 p.m.? Or a bear? Like most people, you peak mid-morning and crash in the afternoon. Once you see the pattern, everything clicks. You stop fighting the current and start riding the wave.
Step 2, the golden hours rule. Look at your audit. Find the 2 to 3 hour window where your energy consistently hits 8 out of 10. That is your golden hour, your most productive time of the entire day. Here's where everyone messes up. They waste their golden hours on low-value tasks. Do not check your email during your peak. Do not clean your room. Do not organize your notes. That's fake productivity. Your prime time is for the hardest, ugliest, most brain-melting task you have. 1 hour during prime time equals 4 hours during a slump. That's the cheat code.
The afternoon crash hack. But wait. What about the rest of the day? You can't just work for 3 hours and disappear. Here's the thing. Your brain will crash, usually 6 to 8 hours after waking up. Most students try to power through it with caffeine. Don't do that. When your energy drops, switch to passive output. Edit the essay you already wrote. Do administrative tasks. Reply to emails. Organize your files. Match the difficulty of the task to the energy you actually have.
Stop trying to become someone else. If you work better at midnight, embrace it. If you work best at sunrise, embrace that too. Success isn't about waking up early. It's about waking up ready. Try the energy audit this week. Just 3 days. Then come back and comment. Are you a morning lion, a night wolf, or a daytime bear? I genuinely want to see what our community looks like. And if you want more psychology-backed videos that help you get better grades without burning out, make sure to subscribe. Now go find and use your prime time.